This is Neil Young's Harvest Moon. It's done with a drop D tuning. The rest of the strings are tuned normally, so it's D, A, D, G, B, E. Okay, so the introduction is up here between the 10th and the 12th fret. Okay, your ring finger goes on the 12th fret of the D string, your middle finger is on the 11th fret of the G string, and your pointer finger is on the 10th fret of the B string. And you got that. So here we go. Starts with what I showed you before, and then you're going to add your pinky to the 12th fret of the B string while maintaining this chord shape. And then you're going to go to a semi D major 7, and you're just going to play. So your pointer finger is on the 9th fret of the E string, your middle finger is on the 10th fret of the B string, and your ring finger is on the 11th fret of the G string. So you have Okay, now part A of the charts that I made out is when he starts singing. And basically what he's doing is pulling off harmonics. So what I would do is use my middle finger, and it's the 12th fret. Okay, so it's 12th fret of the E string, 12th fret of the B string, 12th fret of the G string, and then the 7th fret of the A string. And the rhythm is, okay, but then you have to pick up the rhythm on an E minor 7. So it's like this. Don't play the low E string like I just did. It's a 5-string strum. So again, so okay, so that's part A. Now part B is as follows. Okay, it starts with a D major chord, and this is what he does. So it starts with a D chord, then it goes to a D major 7, which is just one finger across the E, the B, and the G. And then I'm going to move the finger down another string, but I'm not going to play the 2 upper strings. Leave them out. And then you're going to add your 3rd finger to the 4th fret of the D string. So it's going to go one more time. D, D major major 7, move the finger down, and then add your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string. Okay, now part C is essentially a G chord, but because you've got a drop D over here, you got to play it in a different place. So I would do it like this: take your ring finger and bend it across the E, A, and D strings, and then put your middle finger down. Or you can do it the way he does it. I'm pretty sure he does it like this, getting the 3 strings covered by two fingers. It's a pain in the neck, but you get it. So that's part C. Now part D, A7 sus4, played like this. Okay, so you got your A7, open A, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, open G, and then your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the B string and an open E string. But then you got to add the sus4. Pinky, lift the pinky, and the layout is open A string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, open G string, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the B string, and the E string can be open. So that's the A7. Add the pinky, and that's the A7 sus4. So that's part D. Now, the final chord of the song in the live version, he plays like this. So essentially, you're going to take your first finger and put it across 3 strings. You're going to put your 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. You're going to put your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string, your pinky on the 5th fret of the A string, and pluck all 6 strings. And that's the end of the song. I hope that works for you.